Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can rig this character from scratch step by step, and I will show you everything, and I will try to fix a lot of issues in this video, like the weight paint issue and everything. Right now you can see there it is properly rigged, and I will also share some tips that how you can fix the weight painting issues and all those weird looking problems. So yeah, first of all you just need a model. So right now I'm just using this creature model. You can use any kind of creature models, but for now I'll just use this one. And if you want to kind of see the life of this rigging one, so I already upload the video, the whole process. You can just go and watch the video there if you want to see everything step by step. Then I will put the link in the description, you can check that thing out. But for this one I will just give you the overview how you can rig the characters. So I'm using add-on called Auto Rig Pro. It's a free add-on. Right now it's not free, but there was a time it was available for free, and I think most of the people kind of claim this add-on. It was technically a free add-on a few months ago, and if you do not have this add-on also, you can also use an add-on called Rigify. It works similar to this one. In the Rigify one you have to do just a bit more work compared to the Auto Rig Pro. So if you're using Auto Rig Pro, you are lucky, because I will show you everything how to do this. So first of all you have to add a bone, but the thing I want to show you is, if you go to the add-on section, you will get so many bones option there. So you cannot rig this creature with the default presets. You have some dog and horse preset, you can use them, but it will create issues, believe me. So instead of using them, we have to create our custom limbs. And what is limbs? Basically they are the parts of the joint. So we have this leg part, this hand part, this head, and then we have the spine. So we have total 1 2 3 4 areas, and we have to put 4 separate bones in the separate areas. Not 4 bones, but sections of bone. So if I just go to this limb option, you can see we have all those limb options: the arm, left, right, breast, ears, head, legs, spine, tail, and everything. So yeah, first of all I want to show you something so that it will be easy for you to understand everything. So in the limbs one, we don't have any breast here because it's animal. It's not a female character, it's a male character. We don't need that. We need legs, arms, and head. These are the main bones, and spine also. These are the 4 main bones we need. So I will start with the spine one. So you just have to click on the spine. Right now I have this character. Maybe I can just remove the rig from the character. Now I can delete it completely. Okay, so if I just go to this one, you can just select your model, and then you are not getting any kind of limb option because you have to create one first. So go to add empty, and now you will get the option there. Click on spine and you will get the spine bone. You have to put the spine in the back direction like this. Make sure your head is this, and then you just have to drag drop like this. Okay, so the problem with this one is you will just have 3 bones. If you want to add more bones, just go to the limb option, but you will see you will get this type of error. I think there was some sort of issues with the Blender version, so we cannot use this one. So I will just remove it. In order to remove the bone, you have to make sure you are not deleting it. You have to go to the edit mode and then select bone, then click on this disable option. It will remove everything. Do not delete the bone like manually, because it will create some sort of issues. So what we have to do in this one is we have to use another called spline IK, and this is the spline IK, and in this one we have 4 bones, and we can use this one properly. You just have to place it like this. It's pretty convenient. So this is the spine. I'm not gonna go too much detail in this one. I will just try to do a rough thing. Then you need legs. Just go to the right leg. So this is the leg. Just go this, and then we have some issues. Okay, so it will be better if you scale the leg first so that the bones are not disappearing. Make sure this are in the back direction. This one is there in the knee, and this one you need here, and this one you need here. So something like this. Right now in the up direction, you can see it is not properly aligned with the model. So you can do a few things. Either you push the model there, or make your rig to the model. So I will just move the rig to the model area like this, and make sure you move this, and make sure you select every bone, or else it will not gonna work. So yeah, like this, you just have to place your bone manually. Go to the back view, and then Yeah, that's it. And make sure that these bones are in the back direction. And yeah, like this you will do everything. I'm not going to rig the nails. You just basically have to select this L, just select one bone and press L, move this, rotate, scale, and do whatever you want to do with your things. I will do it like this. So you have to manually put this thing, and make sure that you remove this bone. This is basically the thumb one, but just by clicking on disable, or you can delete this bone also. And now you have like total 1 2 3 4 bones. You can remove another one. I will just delete another one, and there is another bone that is inside this joint, so you just have to remove it backwards and you will see your bone. Just move there, scale up, and then just try to just do these stuff like this. And then the main thing is we have to mirror this. So just click on one bone, go to the edit mode, then you will get a mirror option. Click on mirror and you will see it creates this type of mess. The reason why it is creating like this because the origin point is not proper. So just Ctrl Z, and then you have to make sure that the origin point is at the center of this character. I will just move it to Shift S to the cursor, and then Shift S to the origin to the cursor, and now you will see that the origin is in the center of the character. Now if you go and if you're not getting the Shift S option, like this option, I'm using an add-on. The name of that add-on is Mesh Machine, and because of that I'm getting this type of option. Then if you go to the duplicate mirror option, it will work perfectly fine. So similarly you have to create your arms. I will just go to the arms, left arm, will scale up, and you will think that it looks like a human arm, but you don't have to be worried about this. Or the better option is to just use this leg thing. You don't have to use the arm one, because technically this creature does not have any kind of arms, but you can also use the arm one. But right now I'm just using this leg thing, so just click on this leg button and then duplicate this, and you will see that it has a duplicate one. Just try to arrange your bone like this. You put your stuff like that, and this bone there, this bone here. So I'm doing it very roughly right now because I don't want to be wasting my time on this type of things. But you can go and watch the video that I already uploaded on YouTube. Link is in the description to see the whole process. So after that I can just go and mirror this one also. Just click on one bone, go to the edit mode, and then duplicate mirror, and you will see something like this. Now we have to do the head once. I'll just move this thing backwards or something like this. Now we need the head one. So for the head one we need another link called head. Where is that? Head. And you will see something like this, complete mess. And we just need this bone, so you have to put this one there, this one here, and this one here. So basically it will control your head bone, like the head rotation. And then this one is the jaw one. You just have to connect it like this. Pretty simple. Now the problem is we have this all mess bone. So right now I don't want to animate my eyes, but if you want to animate your eyes you have to put this thing there, and these are the tongue one. So you can see this long middle one. If I press L, this one is the tongue. Right now I don't have any tongue in my creature, so I'm not gonna do that. Then we have this whole lip bone. So you can see this. I think you can see the shape of the lips there. If I just go and draw it, so this is the lip bone, and these are the eyebrows in the top one. These are the kind of in the facial bones, everything, and this one is the tongue, and this one are the teeth. So you have to place everything there. So I'm not using the teeth bone also, because I will show you another way to pair your teeth with your mesh properly. I will just remove it here, and I will move the eyes just a bit further away like this, because we don't need. Do not remove this because it will create issues, because we are using the jaw bone, and because of that we couldn't able to remove this. If you are not using this jaw bone, then you can remove this thing easily, but right now we cannot do that. After this you have to make sure you do one thing, and that is to pair your this bone to this. That is called Ctrl P, keep offset, and that's it. And now you will see this type of mess. I don't know why it created like this. Okay, just click on the mesh to rig option and you will see your rig is proper. Now you just have to go and select your model right now like this. Click on your rig, Ctrl P, automatic weight paint. You can also use the skin option in the Auto Rig Pro, but it was creating some sort of issues in the Blender 5.0, so I cannot use that. So we are using the Blender automatic weight paint. Okay, so I think hopefully it will work properly. If I go to the pose mode, you can see this works pretty fine. Problem number one that you're gonna face is the deformation of the weight paint. You can see this is kind of stretching the face also, kind of quite a bit if I'm moving the leg, and it is also creating this type of weird sharp edge. Hopefully you can see this. If I move the leg, it's just creating this type of harsh edge thing. So how to fix this issue is pretty easy. I will just reset everything, pose clear all. What you have to do is you have to go to this one, select your model, go to weight paint option. You can directly go to this one also, and you will see something like this. Go to your data properties and click on this one and search for thigh. So if you search for thigh, you will get this thigh, and you have to just select it like this. And now you will see that this is your thigh weight paint, and because of this harsh line, it was creating that type of stretchy issue. So we have to kind of blur out this edge properly. So in order to blur out this thing, you can use a special tool that is called gradient. And before doing this thing, make sure that you go to the tools option. There is a option of, okay, I don't know where is that option. There was an option of symmetry, yeah, this one. Click on this auto normalize, enable the symmetry so that you can affecting both areas. And the secret tool that I was talking about, you can also use the blur tool, but it will not gonna work that well. You can see it is blurring out more, it is extending the edge even more. We cannot use this one. The special tool that I was talking about is this gradient node. Just click on this, go to the radial section, and then you have to make it like this. Okay, so now this is adding your thing, so you have to make it 0, the weight paint. And now you can remove the weight paint from the face areas. So you can see this is making it like blue. So just go to the edges and fade out the edge like this. So it will not gonna create that type of sharp edge. Okay, so I think that's enough. If I go now and if I move the face now, you can see we are not getting any kind of edge issue now. Even if I go like this, yeah, obviously we are getting this type of stretchiness in the mouth area. So we will just go to the weight paint again, and then we have to make it disappear from this area. You just have to click, and you have to fade your mesh. So normally you will not gonna stretch your creature like this crazy. This is like really ridiculous amount of stretch. So you have to also keep that thing in your mind that you cannot stretch a rig too much, or else it will create this type of deformations. Now if I go there, you can see it's completely fixed, but you will see some sort of stretching there because the rig is kind of really stretched out, and because of that it was creating that issue. But if you have a decent rig, then you can do this. So right now you can see it is creating this type of weight looking hard edge. So you have to go to the weight paint. Do not do too much, just try to fix the edges, or else it will create this type of edge issue. You have to be very mindful about this type of things. Okay, so just try to add some weight paint over here like this, and now you can see there it is kind of messing around with the edge, so it will just kind of destroy your model completely. So make sure you are not going too much with this number, or else it will create very bad deformations. The main thing is do not do it too much, or else it will create this type of issues. Just be subtle and you will fix all your problems, the hard edge issues. Now we have the head area, and this one is the jaw one. So you can see it is moving like this. Now we have to pair the teeth with our main model. So in order to do that, we have to do one thing. Okay, so you have to go and click on this model. Now you will see we have this weight paint. I will just remove everything. So by default you will not gonna have any kind of weight paint in your teeth models. Make sure you properly place your teeth. Click on your model, or not model, your rig, then go to the pose mode. Select your jaw because I want this teeth to be moved by this jaw area. So just click on this, Control T, and then you can just click on automatic weight paint also, or you can just use an empty group. And then if you go to your teeth option, now you will see everything, all the bones of your mesh transfer to your teeth. And now if you click on this one and if you search for jaw, you will get this jawbone. Basically this jawbone is this jawbone. So you have to go to the edit mode, face, select all the face, click on this and assign. And now you will see that it is shifted forward. And if I go to the pose mode, it will move from this jawbone. But right now the issue is it is shifted, so it's pretty easy to fix. Just manually place your teeth in the proper area, and that's it. And then you will get your teeth properly. Similarly you have to do with the front one also. And from now onwards you can rig any kind of characters or anything with the help of these tools. There is also similar workflow in the Rigify add-on, but the problem is in order to work with the Rigify you have to manually do some bone naming thing, and you have to manually join all the bones, and that was kind of a weird part of the Rigify. But if I found any kind of efficient or easy solution for the Rigify add-on also, I will definitely share with you. But for this one, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.